is my home.
Being born in the Canary Islands makes the ocean my home. A place where I go for peace, to have fun, to train and to relax. The treatment for all good and bad. The ocean has always been there for me, and I will always be there for him. I believe it's crucial to be respectful with all living things in, on, and around it, to preserve it and to let it be. Make the least negative impact and the most positive one. I like to blend in and to take care of it, picking up plastics and trash, reuse, reduce, and recycle, educate and celebrate. I am always a visitor, yet it's always home. Como buena canaria, mi océano es también mi hogar. Voy por paz y diversión, por la calma y para entrenar. Siempre ha estado ahí para mí y siempre lo prometo cuidar. Y es que para todo mal, el mar. Y para todo bien, también. Respetemos y preservemos nuestros océanos. Cuidémoslo. Siempre visitante y siempre mi hogar.